Ever accidentally committed something to GitHub and immediately wished you could take it back? Today, we'll dive into how to remove unwanted commits. But remember, this power comes with responsibility, especially in collaborative projects. We'll cover 3 main scenarios: removing the last commit, going back to a previous state, and rewriting history. First, let's say you just messed up your last commit. The easiest fix, and do it. Imagine you just added a typo or a test file you shouldn't have. This keeps your local and remote branches synchronized. This is a quick fix that removes your last commit and commits all the changes again. Next, what about going back to a previous state? Maybe you realized a series of commits took you too far and went wrong. This is where you roll things back to a specific commit, creating a new one that cancels the changes from later commits. This creates a revert commit, do not impact other people in the project, and does not change the main branch commit history. Now, the potentially trickier situation: rewriting history. This involves altering your commit history, such as squashing multiple commits into one or changing commit messages. This is more invasive. This means the original commits will be altered. This is where it's especially important to be cautious if others have already based their work on the commits you're rewriting. It can cause a major headache. Remember this before pushing any changes, especially after rewriting history. Always communicate with your team to avoid conflicts. When in doubt, opt for creating new commits instead of modifying existing ones. Practice these techniques in a safe, isolated branch first until you master them.